Good morning! It's a beautiful day. So today, magluluto tayo ng ating breakfast na farmer's casserole. It's from one of my friend's recipe. So wala akong hash browns. So I just got potatoes in cubes, and you can also use hot dogs. And we have the spinach, evaporated milk, 1 can, and 4 eggs, well beaten. At meron tayong green onions or scallion, and cheese. So you can use any kinds of cheese. I use Monterey Jack and cheddar. Okay, so in a heated pan, lagay tayo ng mantika. At ito-toast natin, ipapry muna natin yung ating potatoes to make it like a hash brown together with the hot dogs. So medyo ito-toast muna natin siya. Yan na, ilalagay natin yung hot dog, or if you have a ham, or pwede nga kung may mga spam or anything, you can mix it. Yan, medyo toast na siya. Okay, so ihalo natin yung evaporated milk sa eggs. Nahaluin natin siya, and of course lalagyan natin ng konting salt and pepper para medyo malasa naman. And let's beat it. Set them aside. Prepare na natin yung ating pan. At talagyan natin ng olive oil spray. Gigrease natin yung ating pan. Then lalagyan na natin yung ating hash browns, potatoes, and hot dogs. Wala kasi kaming ham, so kung ano lang meron dyan sa fridge, yun ang ginamit. You have to spread it out. And then you put the cheese on top. And of course our scallion, green onions. And then we can pour our wet ingredients, which is hindi pa, lalagyan muna natin ng little bit of salt and pepper bago natin ipo-pour yung ating wet ingredients. Yan na, so lalagyan na natin yung ating mixture ng milk and eggs. Then, dagdagan pa natin ng cheese sa ibabaw. Busin na natin lahat. There, and then spinach on top. It's a good thing about making this breakfast, maliban sa it's very easy to do, para naman magkaroon ng variation sa ating agahan sa umaga. Kumbaga, hindi pare-pareho, at least magkaroon tayo ng ibang choices. So, we'll put it in the oven, 350 degrees, 20 to 25 degrees. Ayan na, yung ating lutong farmer's casserole. It really smells good. And we all love it. So savory and delicious. Tara na! Kain na tayo! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in this channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you.